Hello students, good morning to all. It's your first mathematics class, standard 7. Okay, your first chapter is integers. Okay, you already have a holiday homeworks. Okay, in the holiday homeworks there are some notes. In the first page, okay, there are some notes. First we have to know what is numbers. Okay, those are mathematical objects that gives us an idea. Okay, an idea, and that use in to count and to measures. Okay, that means mathematical object that use in to count and to measure, that is known as numbers. Okay, that is known as numbers. You already know. Then another thing is example 1, 2, 3, okay, 7, etc. Okay, mathematical objects that used for to measures, to count. Okay, then another thing is numerals. Those are symbols. Or notation. Okay, that represent the numbers. That means एक आइडिया को, द नंबर्स, दैट मीन्स एक आइडिया को हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. नंबर्स इज द आइडिया. सपोज टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. आई हैव, ओके, 7 chocolates. Pack of chocolate. There are 7 chocolates. Okay, that means the number of chocolates equal to 7, and 7 is the numeral. Or representation value, or represented value of the number. Okay, here that means numeral of that number is 7. That means what is the difference between the numbers and numerals? Numbers is an idea, and that idea is represented by numerals. Okay, then types of numbers. You know already. First types of numbers. First, natural number, okay, or counting numbers, is represented by or denoted by capital N. Okay, हम काउंट कहाँ से करते हैं? Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, then there is no getter counting number. Okay, then another number is whole number. You already know. Whole number is represented by W. नेचुरल नंबर एक्सटेंड हो गया, देन उस पर एक एक्स्ट्रा क्या आएगा, 0 डिजिट आ गया, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, those are whole numbers. That means all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, then integers. Integers is denoted by I or Z. Okay, in the integers all the positive numbers, all the positive numbers, integers contain all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers with 0. Okay, then there is no first integer and there is no last integer. Okay, but our chapter is integers. We have to know about integers. That means integer, in the integer all the natural numbers and whole numbers are present. ओके, यहाँ पे तुम्हारा कुछ नोट्स दिया गया है हॉलिडे होमवर्क्स पे. लुक, द नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 आर कॉल्ड काउंटिंग नंबर्स और नेचुरल नंबर्स. ओके, आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय n. The natural numbers along with 0 form a collection of numbers that called whole numbers. Okay, we are already discussed. Then natural numbers are पॉजिटिव नंबर. जितना नेचुरल नंबर होगा सारा पॉजिटिव होते हैं. देयर इज नो नेगेटिव. ओके, एंड जीरो व्हिच इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉट नेगेटिव. जीरो ना पॉजिटिव है ना नेगेटिव है. ओके, जीरो व्हिच इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. ऑल द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स विथ जीरो फॉर्म ए कलेक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. हो गया. तो इसका डेफिनेशन क्या हो गया ना, ऑल द पॉजिटिव and negative with 0 called integers. Okay, denoted by I or Z. Okay, there is no largest natural number, there is no largest whole number, and the smallest natural number is 1. that means starting from natural number हम किससे स्टार्ट करते हैं, 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो नेचुरल नंबर उसका स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फर्स्ट नंबर हो गया 1 एंड होल नंबर का हो गया 0. ओके, देन देयर आर नो लार्जेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर्स. तो इंटीजर्स पे क्या हो गया ना, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है ना ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. दैट मीन्स 0 मिडिल पे, देन 1 2 3 4 5. जितना हम राइट साइड को जाएंगे उतना ग्रेटर नंबर वी हैव. ओके, देन 0 के राइट साइड में सारा पॉजिटिव. ओके, 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नर नेगेटिव. ओके, देन -1 -2 जितना लेफ्ट साइड पे 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में रह गया वो सारा क्या होंगे, नेगेटिव होंगे. ओके, दैट मीन्स 0 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू देन नेगेटिव एंड स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू देन positive integers. Okay, every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integers. Okay, 0 is less than every positive integers and greater than every negative integers. Then the absolute value of any integer a is equal to, मैं तुम्हें आगे से भी बताया हूँ absolute value of suppose a equal to always regardless of signs माइनस ए का भी तुम्हारा क्या होगा, absolute value of माइनस ए also a. ओके, और रिगार्डलेस ऑफ साइंस इसे क्या करना है, एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू जो रहेगा उसे रखना ओनली होल नंबर्स रखना है और जो साइन होगा साइन को हटा देना है. दैट मीन्स रिगार्डलेस ऑफ साइंस. ओके, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द नंबर्स. सम ऑफ एन इंटीजर एंड इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स इज ऑलवेज 0. क्या है एडिटिव इनवर्स? एडिटिव सपोज द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 3 इज -3 हम अगर 3 एंड -3 को ऐड करते हैं तो हम क्या पाएंगे, 3 - 3 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, इसलिए यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट दिया है तुम्हारा, एक पॉइंट है क्या है ना, सम ऑफ एन इंटीजर एंड इट्स इनवर्स इज ऑलवेज 0. ओके, देन सम there are some questions. The additive inverse of 3 is -3. Then additive inverse of 4 is -4. then minus 4 equal to 4, then additive inverse of 0 is 0, additive inverse of minus 9 is 9, and then additive inverse of 8 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Then we another question is, you have to find 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1, then plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. That means we have to first open the brackets. Open the brackets. Number in the Haldane marks, page 2, number 2. Okay. 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. We have to first change or open the brackets. 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, then plus minus 1. You know cancellation method, plus minus 0 plus minus here 0, then plus minus 0. Okay. 0 is the answer of the questions. Okay. Then another number you can try. Okay. And number 4 also, here arrange the following integers in ascending orders. All the negative integers is less than the positive integers. You can try. Then simplification, number 5 एक एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे किया गया है. देन अनदर क्वेश्चन नंबर सपोज बी, 19 प्लस माइनस then minus 5 plus 17 plus 0. Okay. Similarly, first we have to open the brackets. Okay. Then simplify. There are all are negative, all are positive. Okay. Then 24 plus 7 plus 17. Okay. 41 is the answer. 41 is the answer. Okay. Then another number is number D, 57 plus minus 11 minus 10. Number C you can try. Okay. If any doubt you can contact me. Okay. Then 57 plus minus 11, then minus plus 10 plus 7. Okay. First we have to arrange the same signs. 57 plus 10 plus 7, then minus 11, then minus 11. Okay. Simply you add 74 minus 11 equal to 63. 63 is the answer. Okay. Similarly, you do number E. Okay. Then come to properties of addition and subtraction, multiplication of the integers. Okay. Integers का properties हमें अब देखना है. यहाँ पे नोट्स करके सारा दिया गया है तुम्हें, मैं सिर्फ यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब करूँगा, तुम्हें केयरफुली सुनना है. Then you write all the Haldane marks in your fair notes. Okay. Properties of integers. Okay. First property, closure property. Then another is commutative property. Third is associative property. Okay. What is closure property of addition of integers? Okay. In the case of addition, if we take two integers, okay, if we take two integers, suppose a and b belong to I, that means a and b are two integers, then their sum also we get an integer. Okay, that means there are two integers we take, then their sum also an integer. अब हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, सपोज -1 + 2 = 1, -1 belong to integer, 2 also belongs to integer, then 1 is also belong to integer. Okay, that means sum of the integers, okay, sum of the integers obey the क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. दैट मीन्स हम अगर इंटीजर्स को सम करते हैं तो हम जो पाएंगे आंसर जो गेट करेंगे वो आंसर क्या मिलेगा तुम्हें ना, ऑल्सो एक इंटीजर ही मिलेगा. ओके, तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी हमें वही बोल रहा है, अगर हम सेम कोई सा भी एक सेट से हम नंबर्स लेते हैं जिसे ऐड करेंगे वही आंसर उसी टाइप का आएगा. ओके, देन इन द केस ऑफ एडिशन कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, अच्छा ठीक है, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी के पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन देख लेते हैं. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी का सब्ट्रैक्शन, इफ वी टेक टू इंटीजर्स, सपोज a and b belong to integers, then their difference also belong to integers. Okay, -1 similar question, -1 - 2 equal to -3, -1 belong to integers or 2 belong to integers, then -3 also integer. That means subtraction of integers obey the rule of closure property. Okay, another thing, multiplication. If we take a and b belong to integer, then their product also belong to integer. Similar example, -1 × 2 equal to -2. That means -1 and 2 both are belong to integers, also their product -2 also belongs to integers. Okay, then another division. Now we check in division. If we take a and b belong to integer, then they are quotient. Then their quotient is not belong to integer. That means सारा केस में नहीं होगा. सपोज 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Here 4 and 2 both are integers, we get also integers, but 2 divided by 4 equal to 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is not integer, Okay, so the division of integers is not obeyed to closure property. Okay, then another property, commutative property for addition of integers. If we take a and b belong to integer, then a plus b equal to b plus a. अगर हम उसका पोजीशन चेंज कर देते हैं, then we get the same answer. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 2 also 5. Okay, same answer. Okay, that means the addition of the integers obey the commutative property. Okay, then another, in the case of subtraction, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Take an example, same example, 2 minus 3 equal to -1, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Those are different value, okay, minus 1 is not equal to 1. So the subtraction of integer is not obeyed to commutative property, okay, is not under commutative property. Subtraction of integers is not under commutative property. Then come to multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. That means product of integers is under commutative property. We take an example, same example, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Okay, we get the same value. Then another in the case of division, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. That means division of integers is not under commutative property. Take an example, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, okay, is equal to 1 by 2. Those are different, okay. That means the division of integers is not under commutative property, okay. Only addition and multiplication is under the commutative property, and subtraction and division is not under commutative property, okay. Come to associative property. If we take three integers A, B and C belong to I, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, okay. That means addition of integers is under associative property, okay. That you can check. Take an example, we will try, okay. Then another, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Then in the case of multiplication, A into B into C is equal to A into B then into C. But in the division, A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. That means only addition and multiplication is under the associative property, obey the rule of associative property, but in the case of subtraction and division is not obeyed in the case of associative property, okay. You can check it, okay, with some examples, okay. Then another thing, 0 is the additive identity for integers. 0 is the additive identity for, एक तुम्हारा point है, 0 is the additive identity for integers, okay. That means A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. That means 0 किसी के साथ add हो या 0 के साथ कोई add हो, there is no change, okay. Then similarly in the case of multiplication, 1 is the multiplicative identity of the integers. 1 into A or A into 1 is equal to A, okay. That means 0 is the additive identity for integers and 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers, okay. Then additive inverse. Inverse case, A plus minus 1 additive inverse. Additive inverse of A is minus A, then add करो, minus A plus A equal to 0 होंगे. That means एक नंबर उसके एडिटिव इनवर्स के साथ हम जब सम करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, then we will get the 0. Okay, then multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A. If we product the A into additive inverse, multiplicative inverse of A 1 by A, 1 by A into A equal to 1. Okay, that means multiplicative inverse, product of multiplicative inverse of a number and that number is equal to 1. Okay, this is additive inverse property. Then this is multiplicative inverse property. Okay, those are the property. And last property is your distributive property. Okay, distributive property of addition in the case of integers. Last we'll discuss the distributive property in the case of integers. Distributive property of multiplication under addition and subtraction. That means distribute करना है. If you take A, B, C, A, B and C belong to integer, then A into B plus C of A, B plus C के साथ क्या होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा A into B plus A into C. That means the value of the LHS is equal to value of the RHS. Okay, we'll take an example. Okay, then another thing, A into B minus C under subtraction, A into B minus A into C. Okay, now take an example. Suppose 2 into 4 minus 3, 2, 3, 4 are integers, then 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay, distribute it. 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. That means those are same value. That means 2 into 4 minus 3 equal to 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Okay, similarly we do all the questions from holiday homework. Okay, and here some examples, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स कर दिया गया है. उसी एग्जाम्पल्स को फॉलो करते हुए तुम्हारा सारा क्वेश्चंस करना है. ओके, दो एग्जाम्पल तुम्हें कर रहा हूँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हुए. फर्स्ट इज हियर नंबर 13 माइनस 39 इंटू 99. ओके, माइनस 39 इंटू हम 99 को चेंज कर सकते हैं 100 माइनस 1 पे. ओके, हमको सिंपल होगा. जैसे हम इसलिए प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हैं ताकि हमें सिंपल हो, प्रोडक्ट हो या एडिशन हो, जो भी हो हमें सिंपल कर सकते होंगे, इजीली कर पाएंगे. देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट माइनस 39 इंटू 100 माइनस 39 इंटू 1. ओके, देन माइनस 3900, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस 39. ओके, then minus here 1 6 8 3. okay, that's the answer. okay, हम यहाँ पे कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज करें, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. यहाँ पे तुम्हें मेंशन करना है कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर रहे हो. ओके, देन अनदर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 16 number 15 78 into minus 17 plus minus 78 into 3. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ सेम नहीं हो रहा है बट दो प्रोडक्ट साइन है. 78 एक है -78, हम उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं ब्रैकेट हटा के, -17 देन -78 इंटू 3। अब देखो इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन हियर 78 अगर हम कॉमन ले लें रह गया -17 -3 इक्वल टू 78 इंटू -20, 78 इंटू -20 then multiply it -1560, that's the answer. Okay, then we will try all the questions. If there is any doubt you call me. Okay, thank you.